Success is like cooking. Patience and passion make it perfect. Happiness is the sound of something crispy frying in the kitchen. Consistency is the secret ingredient of success. Small steps every day create big success tomorrow. Every day is a new chance to grow. Passion turns simple food into something special. Great things take time, just like perfect crispy food. Do it with passion or not at all. Consistency beats talent every time. Cheese samosa is a simple snack that becomes incredible crispy when fried. In this video, I am just frying and show you the process so you can enjoy the relaxing cooking moment. Great cooking doesn't need to be complicated, just passion, patience, and a little crispness. Keep cooking, keep sharing, and let the aroma of good food bring smiles to everyone. Good food always brings people together, and a little snack can bring a lot of joy. Golden, crispy, and made with love. Sometimes the simplest food brings the biggest happiness. Like this, very simple. Cooking is love made visible. Simple food made with love tastes the best. Happiness is the sound of something crispy frying in the kitchen. Good food always brings people together. Thank you for watching. I love you and God bless you. My favorite song. Jesus, keep me near the cross.
Half potatoes, half yam. So minced yam, potatoes with meat.
Free to all
this is fried potatoes. This is Busan. The inside is
from
cream cheese,
mountain.
This is chicken fingers.
In the cross, be my glory ever, till my raptured soul shall find rest beyond the river.